I'm just going to show you how to make delightful room spray. So just like having a little bottle, you could use a glass bottle. I'm just reusing one that I was gifted in the past. So what you need is witch hazel and some essential oils and some distilled water. And that's all. A funnel will be helpful too. So all it takes is 2 tablespoons of witch hazel, and you could use whatever drops of essential oils you like. I like an into the forest type of blend, so forest essences. Essentially, we're using copaiba, Siberian fir, frankincense, and arborvita. So these are like very earthy, my vibe, sort of like chill. So I want this for my bathroom. So to spray when you need to spray. I saw something really funny in my workplace in Perth said that there was like in the staff bathroom, there was a poster in there that said a bunch of like rules for the bathroom. And it said, if your poopy smell real cray, be a deer and use the spray. That's just something I think about every time I make this spray and every time I use it. So you could use however many oils you want. And I mean, I'm going to use 8 drops of copaiba. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 4 drops of arborvita. So arborvita is really good. It's like white cedar. So like when you feel like you are having a panic attack or something like that, this could like take you right out of that. It's like takes you into the roots of a tree. So it's not that you're having a panic attack in the bathroom. It's just a really nice earthy grounding scent. So I'm going to use 4 drops of this. So I'm making like a foresty type of scent. Siberian fir, obviously, that is also a tree. 10 drops I'm going to put in if I have that much left. Okay, and frankincense, I'm going to use 8 drops of that. And then you just fill it up with distilled water. It's really very simple. This is something I really enjoy. I have made also an into the, what was it called? I called this one Into the Forest, but then there was another one that was more of like a sunshine, like feeling sunshiny. And that had like uplifting oils like grapefruit, lemon, orange or tangerine. I can't remember, but it was all like uplifting citrusy type oils. Anyway, that's it. So easy. It's an old bottle. Earthy.